Senate Judiciary Committee will come to order. We'll consider 5 judicial nominees today: Judge John Lee to the 7th Circuit, Judge Salvador Mendoza to the 9th Circuit, Judge Stephen Locher to the Southern District of Iowa, Nancy Maldonado, Northern District of Illinois, and Greg Williams to the District of Delaware. I want to welcome all of you and your families. This is an outstanding slate of nominees. I'm particularly pleased that 2 Illinois nominees are before us today. Both Senator Duckworth and I will introduce these 2 nominees. I ask you to have some patience and understanding that many of the senators who would like to be here at this moment have conflicts. They're trying to serve 2 or 3 responsibilities at the same time, so we're going to be flexible in the way we recognize people. Before I move to introductions, I'd like to make a note on today's second panel is Judge Stephen Locher, nominated to the Southern District of Iowa, the first nominee this Congress who's received blue slips from both Republican senators. So I'd like to thank Ranking Member Grassley and Senator Ernst for working in good faith with the White House on this vacancy. They've charted a path I hope others will follow. I have the honor this morning of introducing Judge John Lee, nominated to the 7th Circuit. Since 2012, he's been a U.S. District Court judge on the Northern District. Born in Germany to Korean parents, his parents were a coal miner and a nurse. Judge Lee came to this country as an immigrant at the age of 4, settling into a 1-bedroom apartment with his family in the Albany Park neighborhood in Chicago. I still just remembered his speech to us when he was sworn in as district court judge and his struggles with the American language as a child. He tells a fascinating story on that. Judge Lee excelled in school, though. He graduated magna cum laude from Harvard and cum laude from Harvard Law School. He then began his career in public service, joined the Environmental and Natural Resources Division at the Justice Department. Afterwards, worked in private practice at several law firms in Chicago, including Mayer Brown and Freeburg Peters. His practice focused on complex litigation, including antitrust and intellectual property. 2012, President Obama nominated Judge Lee to the Northern District of Illinois. When he was confirmed by a voice vote, I underline, Judge Lee became the first Korean American to serve as an Article III judge in Illinois. Since joining the bench, he's written hundreds of opinions, presided over 35 trials that went to verdict or judgment. He sat by designation on the 7th Circuit a number of times, writing several opinions for the majority. His nomination to the district court 10 years ago was historic, and he is poised again to make history as nominee to the 7th Circuit. If confirmed, he'll be the first Asian American judge to serve on that court. Judge Lee, I welcome you and your family. It is also my great pleasure to introduce Nancy Maldonado, nominated to the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of Illinois. She was born in Skokie, earned her A.B. cum laude from Harvard College and her J.D. from Columbia Law School before returning to Illinois to clerk for my friend Judge Ruben Castillo on the Northern District. After clerking on the court for 2 years, she spent the last 19 in private practice, specializing in plaintiff side employment, civil rights, and fraud litigation. In addition to her work in private legal practice, she served the people of Cook County and the state of Illinois in a variety of capacities. In the early 2010s, she served as Special Assistant State's Attorney to Cook County to investigate fraud alleged by a whistleblower. In 2018, the Illinois Attorney General appointed her to serve as a consent decree monitor in 2 employment discrimination cases. And last year, Illinois Attorney General also appointed Ms. Maldonado to serve as Special Assistant Attorney General to investigate consumer fraud. She's worked outside the courtroom to keep Illinois safe. In 2019, appointed by Governor Pritzker, confirmed by the Senate, to serve as a member of the Illinois State Police Merit Board, which runs an equitable merit process for the selection and promotion of officers in the state police. I appreciate the important work she and the rest of the board have done in carrying out this critical responsibility. I look forward to this hearing. It goes without saying that Senator Duckworth joins me and may physically join us soon in applauding their experience and qualifications. I welcome Judge Maldonado and her family today.